Transdisciplinary is primarily computer programming, right? Programming language and how ineffective it is when it comes to disambiguating what is pervasively known as ambiguity in linguistic models. Linguistic models is pervasive as ambiguity, or what is a noun and a verb. And so what I did was I published, and I do two things parallel. I would always publish 27 to 40 chapters, and then I'll do a lecture on it. And this particular area I work in, transdisciplinary, is called, I came up with a concept called linguistic organic search engine theory, which is a taxonomic approach to disambiguating ambiguity. So you have cross-disciplinary. I may explain one discipline within the context of another, using physics to explain music. Multidisciplinary, I may take psychopathology, pathology, parapsychology, philosophy, some areas of physics, cognitive neuroscience into consideration. And I'll say kinesiology, not because it's a sensory modality, but it acts as that sometimes in neuro-linguistic programming. That's a different subject. So you see, multidisciplinary, you have to take many different areas into consideration. You know, a fascinating phenomenon outside the realm of scientific inquiry is the whole mind branch of philosophy that deals with mind and matter, substance and attributes. Transdisciplinary is primarily computer